So hey guys, I'm Pranav, and as you know that I have been collaborating with people from different industries so that I can always bring informative insights for you. My today's motive is to collaborate with a life coach. This is Dr. Ritu ma'am, and she better knows about her specialization. So ma'am, please throw an insight.
Yeah. Thank you, Pranav. I am Dr. Ritu Gupta. I am based in Noida, and I'm a senior pediatrician and adolescent health expert. And my another profession is being a life coach. So I am a life coach for parents, teens, young adults, and families.
So as you said that you are a life coach, so explain it in brief. Like for example, people who are trying their best, who are giving their best, and still not attaining what their goal is, they are not able to succeed. So is that where your role starts in their life?
Yeah, in a way, yes,
Okay.
प्रणव. सो मैं बहुत ही सिंपल हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स्ड लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन करना चाहूँगी. सो सपोज करिए कि आप कोई कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, राइट? और कॉम्पिटिटिव सपोज आप यूपीएससी एग्जाम के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं और आपने एक बार अटेम्प्ट दिया, दूसरी बारी दिया, तीसरी बारी दिया, एंड तब भी आप को वो सक्सेस नहीं मिल रही है. सो कोच का रोल है आपको एक तरह से मिरर दिखाना.
That you deserve that, but it is not. If you are not able to succeed, that doesn't mean you are nothing.
Yes, absolutely. And when I'm saying act like a mirror, तो जिसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि आपके gaps क्या हैं, आपके barriers कहाँ हैं.
So you are introducing people to their true self.
Absolutely. They will discover their true self and they will see their we call them blind spots और the barriers, the blocks. देखिए, आप अपना 100% दे रहे हैं, आप अपना बेस्ट कर रहे हैं, है ना? बट फिर भी आप सक्सीड नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप वहाँ नहीं पहुँच रहे हैं जो आपका गोल है. तो कुछ ना कुछ गैप्स हैं. सो वो कोच का काम है आपको, हाँ, नॉट एग्जैक्टली ब्रिजिंग दोज गैप्स, but making you see those gaps, helping you see those gaps.
So everything is needed to be done by that person only. You can just show them the path.
Absolutely.
So you are the light in their life.
Absolutely. So I am a guiding light where they can find their own inner light.
So now I think that it is very clear for all of us that what she is doing. So basically, as we started, I think that today we should go and follow the path of self-care. Like everybody in their life, they need to understand that it is very important to put themselves at the first place, so that they can see what are their what are their losses, issues, and how they'll succeed if they'll go forward with a better thinking. So talking about the teens and the children, that's a different thing, but everything starts with parents. Right. I think that if my mother is there, so she has taught me everything in my life. Absolutely. I was a blank person when I came to this earth. So what is self-care and why is it necessary for parents?
Okay, sure. I will answer that question, Prana. Before that, I want to also tell the audience who are parenting coaches and what's the role of a parenting coach. Yeah, so जैसे मैंने आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया था यूपीएससी एग्जाम का, वैसे ही कंसिडर करिए अगर आप एक पेरेंट हैं और आप अपना बेस्ट दे रहे हैं. Each parent tries to give their best to their child, right? And they want the best for their child, and still they experience being a failure. They experience कि हम effective नहीं हो रहे अपने बच्चों के साथ.
They think that if their child is doing something bad, so this is because of them.
Yes.
They are responsible for that.
So वो कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप को wrong में करते हैं, या वो उनको मतलब कई बारी frustration हो जाती है that I am not a good parent. So वहाँ again as a parenting coach, my role is to show them their gaps. And वो भी ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं उन्हें बताऊंगी आप ये गलत कर रहे हैं, ये गलत कर रहे हैं.
You are acting a mirror.
Where they will see, they will discover their own gaps, own barriers, so that they can move forward and become more effective with their children. So that is who a parenting coach is. And now coming to self-care. Why self-care is important for parents? See, आपने सुना होगा ना कि अगर your cup is empty, you can't pour it.
Yes.
You cannot pour it for others. So same thing applies for parents.
So first of all, we have to heal ourselves so that we can heal the person sitting in front of us.
Absolutely. And जब हम खुद की केयर करेंगे as parents, खुद का ध्यान रखेंगे, खुद को भी थोड़ा पैम्पर भी करेंगे, अपने लिए टाइम निकालेंगे, खुद हम काम होंगे, कंपोज्ड होंगे, स्ट्रेस नहीं होंगे, तो उतना ही हम अपने बच्चों की परवरिश बहुत
ढंग से
अच्छे
कर
से
पाएंगे।
कर पाएंगे.
Okay, so yesterday I was having a conversation with my mother.
Yeah.
So she knew that I am going to shoot a podcast about
Uh-huh.
self-care for parents.
Yeah.
So she was like, what are the common activities
Uh-huh.
as a parent, that person, particular person should perform? Like, it is about self-care. Okay,
Yeah.
we are explaining that people will be very curious to know about it, like how they can perform certain activities
Yeah.
that can help them like follow the path of self-care.
या सी सेल्फ केयर कोई बहुत रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. डू थिंग्स विच यू लव टू डू.
Okay.
टेक आउट टाइम फॉर देम. देखिए क्या है, पेरेंट्स मोस्टली जब न्यू पेरेंट्स बनते हैं सो दे आर स्ट्रगलिंग,
Yes.
दे आर जगलिंग बिटवीन वर्क एंड हाउस होल्ड चोर्स.
Imbalance.
इम्बैलेंस हो जाता है कहीं ना कहीं. हर चीज एक सिर्फ एक ड्यूटी बन के रह जाती है.
They have to perform it.
दे हैव टू परफॉर्म, दे हैव टू मीट द टू
Like
एंड्स.
rather than feeling that feeling of being a parent,
या
they consider it as a daily schedule that they have
क्या
to follow,
एक ड्यूटी है, एक स्केड्यूल
that they
है,
have to fulfill.
एक वो बस एक काम है जिसको पूरा करना है. और वो जो जॉय होता है पेरेंटिंग का वो कहीं खो जाता है.
So because of like the parents are following this schedule,
या
they are unable to express their true feelings to their children.
यस, दैट इज आल्सो देयर. प्लस तो जैसे हमने बात की कि सेल्फ लव क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो हमने बात की. और सेल्फ लव हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो कितना भी आपका बिजी स्केड्यूल है, आपको बच्चों की भी देख रेख करनी है, अपना काम भी देखना है. चाहे आप होम मेकर हैं, चाहे आप वर्किंग वुमन हैं, या फादर इज बिजी द होल डे, बट डोंट फॉरगेट टू टेक आउट टाइम फॉर योरसेल्फ.
For yourself. So
या
that
एंड सो कैसे कर सकते हैं. आपको अगर वॉक करना अच्छा लगता है आप वॉक करिए. आपको डांस करना अच्छा लगता है, 5 मिनट के लिए म्यूजिक चला के डांस कर लीजिए.
general activity.
या अपने फ्रेंड से मिल लीजिए ओवर अ कप ऑफ कॉफी. यू कैन लिसन टू म्यूजिक, यू कैन डू योगा, यू कैन डू मेडिटेशन, यू कैन just chit chat over phone with your friends or family. So just remember to take out time for yourself, being kind to yourself.
Okay, so yesterday also I read books, a
Yeah.
lot of books.
Yeah.
So yesterday I was reading a book written by Osho. So
Uh-huh.
in that there was a quote that the whole existence,
Yeah.
we make it serious. A
Yes.
tree, the clouds, the river, the birds, they are
Yeah.
never serious.
Yeah.
So if the nature itself is enjoying, why don't we live our life joyfully? So that's what you wanted
Yeah,
to
very-
deliver.
Yeah, very beautifully said, Pranav. So that's what the essence of all of it is. Like parents need to take care of themselves so that they can take care of their children. And once they are happy, they are joyful inside, they are calm inside, they'll transmit that to their children.
So basically, a parent who is taking self-care and performing activities that can heal their inner child or something like that, so they can directly benefit their children, right? So like, what are the like notable benefits that their children will get when the parent is performing self-care?
Absolutely. So see, once the parent is taking care of themselves, they are taking out time for their leisure activities or something which they love to do, or their hobbies, and they are fulfilled, they feel satisfied, they feel happy, they are not stressed.
Again, that cup example.
Yeah, they are not burnt out. So then the same energy will get transmitted to their children.
The role of energy.
Yeah.
Like if we are not healed, we won't heal.
Absolutely, absolutely. And also, see, once our children see us taking care of ourselves, they are learning what they are seeing.
Exactly.
So they'll also
They
learn
learn
to
what
take
they
care
see.
of themselves when they grow up. They also learn, okay, mama, papa also need time for themselves.
So this is something where the heredity of the parenting, the flow of the parenting is being broken. If you are taking care of yourself,
Yeah.
you'll be a nice parent and you are transferring that energy to your children,
Yeah.
and they will absolutely follow that to their success.
Absolutely. तो somewhere we are breaking the generational patterns जहाँ पर सोचा जाता है कि parents should sacrifice everything for their children.
Mhm.
सब कुछ sacrifice करना चाहिए, बच्चों के लिए अपने को भुला देना चाहिए, पूरा दिन रात काम में ही लगे रहना अच्छी parenting है, या सब कुछ बच्चों पे न्यौछावर कर देना अच्छी parenting है. No, so I feel that doesn't work in the long run. अगर पेरेंट्स बर्न आउट हो जाएंगे, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होंगे, खुद से वो मतलब ओवरवेल्म्ड होंगे, सो देयर विल बी मोर cases where the parents will be
The
reacting.
communication gap and all happens there.
Communication gap होगा, parents overwhelmed होंगे, react कर रहे होंगे, चिल्ला रहे होंगे, maybe मतलब they will lose their cool. So all those will negatively impact not
Their
only
children.
themselves but their children also.
Exactly. So everything is based on how healed a parent is. So before becoming a parent, one should like, if it is possible, like one should be healed, or
Yeah.
after becoming a parent, he should practice self-care.
Yes, absolutely right. And see, these days I see lots of youngsters like you.
Because people like me, I am 28. I'm
Yeah.
about to get married.
Yeah.
So either I have to be a healed
Yeah.
one,
Yeah.
healed individual,
Yeah.
or a healed parent. I am so confused.
Yes, so heal yourself first, and if you are healed, you'll raise absolutely amazing children.
Me being a parent, if I think like that,
Yeah.
so if I'll be a parent in future, I'll absolutely be a parent.
Yeah.
So I'll just ask my child, my son or my daughter, to just live.
Yeah.
Because I think that my mother always, she's a single parent.
Mhm.
So she, for the whole life, since my 28 years, she introduced me to everything.
Yeah.
Like everything.
Yeah.
And she is the one, she set me free.
Yeah.
And when I asked her, when I got this knowledge, ki, Mama, everything is so wrong around us.
Uh-huh.
Why were you so free with me? You
Yeah.
never asked me to stop anything.
Yeah.
So she was like, if I'll cage you, if I'll cage something, that will get more furious. I've set you free, you fly, the sky is big, but you'll come to the tree. Because there's your nest. That's my mother's concept.
Wow.
That is happening in my house daily.
Yeah.
So there are many myths about this self-care and all. Like my mother is very clear, just like I was discussing about you with her.
Mhm.
So we have very good psychological conversations.
Yeah.
She goes to satsang and all, so she's very spiritual with her brain. So like there are certain myths that people follow. They are not clear. They are not having this clarity of how to like take care of the children and themselves. So what are these myths about self-care?
So myths, like I just mentioned also, that that parents should sacrifice everything for their children, and if they are doing something for themselves, that's being selfish, है ना वो, हाँ, that's being selfish कि अपने लिए कुछ कर रहे हैं. अरे like आप बड़ों को भी कहते हुए सुनोगे, माँ तो अपने मुंह का भी जो गस्सा है, जो निवाला है, वो बच्चे को दे देती है.
That's a muhavra, very popular muhavra.
या पूरा घर खा लेता है ना, उसके बाद माँ खाती है. या फादर्स को तो बस पूरा दिन काम करना चाहिए. So these are
As a male.
as a male,
working
as a male, as a breadwinner.
Misconception.
So these are the myths. See, अगर मदर खुद की केयर नहीं करेगी, अगर वो खुद खाना नहीं खाएगी, तो वो बच्चे को उतना अच्छे से देख रेख नहीं कर पाएगी जितना वो कर सकती है.
Again the energy.
अगेन द एनर्जी, अगर वो खुद थकी हुई है, खुद बर्नट आउट है, खुद वो ओवरवेल्म्ड है, तो वो बच्चे में भी कहीं ना कहीं वही सब एनर्जी जा रही है. एंड जैसे आपने अपनी मम्मी का एग्जांपल दिया कि probably आई एम जस्ट अज्यूमिंग एंड आई एम श्योर दैट शी इज समबडी हु टेक्स केयर ऑफ हरसेल्फ
A lot.
a lot.
She, like, basically what happens is that I am suffering from something, that
Yeah,
is okay.
yeah.
You suffer because that will lead you to somewhere and
Yeah.
you learn something.
Yeah.
So after some time she comes back, are you alright? Then I said, no, I'm not alright. Let's have a conversation now.
Yeah.
So before, like, what I learned from my mother is that before like having a conversation with your children, you should prepare yourself.
Yes.
Like, this is the youngster. She's very old
Yeah,
than me,
yeah.
and she's following, like, she's in a different phase of her life.
Yeah.
So when she comes back, she is like 50, 60 years
Mhm.
old. She have to get back to that 28 age group to talk
Yes.
to me.
Yes.
So I should also understand this as her son.
Yes.
And she all the time she's prepared.
Yeah.
She's mostly
Yeah.
prepared to have a
Yeah,
conversation.
yeah. That's a very good approach. So we need to really get down to the child's level, be there in their shoes, understand them from their world, and then make a difference to them.
Yeah.
So first connect and then correct. That's the theory which.
And even though on your website they are very RRR, reconnect, and
Yeah.
what were those?
Yeah. So my brand name or my project, you can say, which I took up, is Reconnect, Rebuilding the Bond.
Reconnect, rebuilding,
हाँ, so
rebuilding the bond.
Yes. So reconnect with yourself, and that as a parent, as a youngster, whosoever you are, and reconnect and rebuild the bond with others too. So that's very, very important.
So as we discussed about the self-care topic in brief, and even though we took live examples from our lives and our certain situations, so I would like to say that we have our YouTube channel on which you are watching this video. So we have this brand name as Reconnect with Ritu. No, sorry, Reconnect with Dr. Ritu,
Yeah.
being very precise. So you can follow us on our Instagram channel. You can take the guidance, and if you are willing to seek personal awareness about any topic, you can always get back to Dr. Ritu. So stay tuned to know more, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.
Thank you.